Hi dear. Welcome to SkillUp channel. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to copy and share your YouTube URL via computer and phone. So to do that, go to YouTube website. After that, click on your profile picture. Then click on your channel. From here you can copy your URL. This was via computer. To copy YouTube link via cell phone, open YouTube app on your phone. Then click on your profile here. Then press on your channel. On the top right corner click on 3 dots. Then press on Share. Click here to copy your YouTube link. You can share it anywhere you want. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of videos, so please subscribe SkillUp channel. Give a thumbs up to this video. And share this video with your friends. If you had any question, please leave it in description section. Thank you. See you in the next video.